Alright guys, I'm back here with the Yoder 1500 to burn in. I see a lot of you watched the video and had some comments on there, some suggestions, and a lot of people have asked some questions. Sorry it's been so long, but I'm back with the Yoder 1500. Now this bad boy definitely, over the period of time I don't had it, it has proven that it's an absolute beast. Today, I want to talk to you about cleaning out the Yoder 1500 after you use it. Now, I always thought that I would be the main cook on my Yoder 1500, but after getting it to the house and getting it set up, and now you won't believe this. My wife has physically taken the Yoder 1500 over. She's out here working on it and cooking on it more than I am. I can barely have a chance to cook on it. She has 2 ovens and a microwave in the house, but where is she at? She's out here on this Yoder 1500. So I'm gonna pop the lid up and just go over getting the Yoder 1500 cleaned out after you use it. But seriously, it seems like I'm just the clean out guy. She cooks on it 24/7. So you slide out your top grill here. Just set it over here on the side. You'll take out your inner grill, cook great there. You take out your other one, set it to the side. Now, I keep a little hand wipe thing here just to wipe my fingers up so I don't get it on my clothes. But as you can look in here, it looks pretty daggum clean on this here 3rd level here. And I know back in the beginning, you can see one guy commented that I had this section of it backwards, but I got all that straightened out. So you see your slide door over here that you slide open and you close. You got your little puller pin here, your little collar pin, you call it. Just pop it out. Set this here to the side and reach in there and just lift that right on out of there. Definitely you can tell you got a real machine here. The weight is there. And take a look over in here. Let's look in here. You see all that dust in there and stuff from cooking from the pellets. Now, the best thing that I found, I said the best thing since sliced bread, is just go up there to Home Depot somewhere and buy you one of these little vacuum cleaners. I think it's called the Stinger. And it works just great. So I already got it plugged in. Put your little flap on here like this here. Okay? Put my sleeve up here a little bit so we can get in there and get this Yoder 1500, clean it right on out and get it ready for use. I always like getting it cleaned out so when I'm ready to use it again, I can just fire it up and it's ready to go. We'll turn it on. You see your little igniter thing here for your pellets. You just can slide it right on out of there. Now look over here at your igniter here, which I hear that some guys have it totally filled up over here with stuff where they hadn't cleaned it out. As you can see here, I keep mine pretty clean out. So like I said, get your little Stinger vacuum cleaner from Home Depot. Basically, that's all it takes to get it cleaned out. And when you're done with your little Stinger vacuum cleaner, you don't even have to take it in the house. A great little storage place for it is. Just take it, turn it to the side, and slide it right up on there. Your Yoder 1500, and it's good to go, ready for next time. Cleaning out the Yoder 1500.